Okay, good nice. Today we are going to be looking at setting up equations to describe given situations. So here we are going to be coming up with equations. You'll be given a statement and you'll be asked to solve a given problem in the form of a statement, the ones we want to call story sums. So we are going to come up with equations in order to solve the given problems. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Let's say you are given an equation, right? 6 times a number reduced by 8 is 28. What is the number? So you are going to say, now we want to come up with an equation. You say we are going to use letters. You say let the number be m. And then you say 6 times the number, which is m, reduced by 8 minus 8 is equal to 28. Then you solve for m. Can you see that? So we've come up with the equation and we use our skills of solving equations, and the number is m is equals to 9. So the number is 9. We check 6 times 9 reduced by 8. Will it give us 28? So which means left hand side has to be equals to the right hand side. And you can see with the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, which means the answer is correct. Moving on. Another example. Let's say you are given an example. The length of a rectangle is 2 times greater than the width, and the area of the rectangle is 10 times more than the width. Right. So we are going to say, find the size of the width. So we are going to say let the width be w. So we are going to use in letters to come up with equations. So it's 2 times, so the remember area is going to be length times width, right? So we are going to say, we are told that the length is 2 times the width, and the width, we will use w to represent it, and the area is 10 times the width. So we're going to say the area, which is length times width. So area, remember, it's length times width will give you your area. So we say 2w times w is equals to 10w. So it's going to be 2w squared minus, so 2w squared minus 10w is equals to 0. We put everything to one side and we factorize. We've got two values, w is equals to 0 or w is equals to 5. So the width cannot be 0, because otherwise if the width is 0, it won't be rectangle. So we are going to say, therefore, our width will be equals to 5. And then after doing that, we then check, right? Is it true? Will our answer hold water in this statement? So we're going to say 2 times 5 times 5. Will it be equals to the right hand side? And we see that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, meaning that our answer is correct. So what we expect you to do now is to go and do exercise 8, and the questions which you need to do refer to the lesson plan. Okay.